some guy named Newman died in an avalanche here in 1974. Oh, she steps away. Huh? Oh, wait, no, Ma. Have to be this way. I mean, you'd think it'd take some... There's a panoramic view of the East Shore. There's a tree. There's where... Let's see. Casinos down there. Nevada Beach, right there where we were on Wednesday, or Thursday, August 10th, 11th actually. Let's see. There's Cave Rock. This is the Lake Tahoe Basin. Let's see. This is where Jaron conquered Gun Barrel. All 4 years. There's Emerald Bay, Desolation Wilderness. That's the West Shore. Right there. There's Squaw Valley. And Tahoe City right there. Let's see. Rubicon Point. Look at those 2 points. It's the one on the right. And Mount Talac will be coming up here through the trees. There it is right there. And the great explorer Joan looking onward, claiming it in the name of all Polish people. Joan and Catherine Beam.
Hey, you missed the cemetery.
Yeah. Leaving. No, I'm not going to film the cemetery.
Oh,
yeah, don't do that.
Well, hey, don't do it then. Stop it.
This is, we're leaving the cemetery of Virginia City. Mom is taking great exception to that. Here, I'll do a shot of Virginia City here. This is Virginia City. Yeah, but this is a good panoramic view of Virginia City. Oop. Virginia City. Catherine, Jim, and Joan Adractis. 13th of August, 1994. Look above here. This is Virginia City, downtown. Brass Rail Saloon right there. I've had a few good drinks there in my day, back when I was a minor. Because I'm into the miming camp. Solid Muldoon. Wild Horse Souvenirs.
I'm sorry, I'm a friendly person, okay?
Delta Saloon. We've been here for 2 hours and we're still here. And we need to get to Truckee. It's Saturday, August 13th.
We're in no rush.
And we need to get to Truckee. Yeah, we do, because we need to see Donner Lake, Truckee, and Incline and Crystal Bay.
Go on, Jay. We're looking for a tack shop.
Okay.
We find tacks and other things for bulletin boards.
So you can sit on it.
Oh, get a shot of that.
Mark Twain Saloon, home of the jumbo hot dogs. Children welcome. We'd like to make hot dogs out of them.
They like the water.
Say that again?
Jared would love this place. Yeah. Candy places.
Oh, this is candy?
Oh, just smell that. Oh.
You can't smell on a video.
This is where you should... Yogurt. Yeah, yogurt, sure. Here we go.
Hats.
I have a hat like that, the Shady Brady. Those are like $50.
Right here?
They last forever.
Right here?
Yeah, they're yeah.
Okay. Bars.
Yeah.
Gamble, drink, smoke, gamble, drink. It's the story of Nevada.
Look at the church.
Wow!
Dean, come up a little bit. Look at that one. So that little church back there. Is that cute?
Oh yeah. Look at the group of ingrates walking by. There we go.
The cap's on. Has it been on?
Yeah.
Look, there's Girl
No,
Lives.
That's an Indian church that they're checking out. It is First Presbyterian Church, founded 1862, erected 1867, worship 930.
Yeah, the birds. Thanks a lot. Photographs tourists going down the street.
Okay, sing or something. Go ahead, your turn.
Oh, what shall I sing? Well, you gotta sing a song, see?
Okay, this is her James Cagney.
Let me do the Cagney, see? This is Virginia City, see? All the pretty buildings, see? All the block here, see? That's it. Okay, we'll go over here like this. It's my extensive Jimmy Cagney.
View from Virginia City. Look at that.
This is a view of Catherine's ear.
There's Mama walking off. That's cool. Say what now?
We want to go get married again.
Don't waste too much film there.
Nice. It's Virginia City.
Yeah, but what we got here? A bunch of clouds. Don't.
Saturday afternoon. Walking over to eat. This is downtown Truckee. This is a Truckee fire truck.
Look at that. Look at up the street over there.
What, Mom? This is gotta get the feel for the whole town. Okay, we're going to this is Cops, bad boys, what you gonna do?
You know that?
This is the one she recommended, but this has a lot more meat. But she said the one with good fish is here. Okay.
This place over there smells good. They should have sandwiches. Hey, this one sandwiches, something like that.
Yeah, but you said this is the one with fish and you wanted fish.
I don't care about fish. I can have a tuna sandwich and something like that. but it smells good over there.
Well, what do you think?
Where's mine?
Good food, but the service was bad. Look, they never cleared the table. Joan in Truckee. What is she looking at here? Of course.
These are our lotto tickets. We're going to win $12 million with these tickets.
Right.
So all we have to do is fill in where it says quick pick. Fill in this
Volume here.
To do that like the waiters I got over there. They're really pros. You see, they want the money. They need the money bad. And they acting.
How do I look?
Tell me if I'm gonna hit something.
Don't tell them.
Yeah.
So
You're gonna
anyway.
hit something. Donner Lake. This is the first member of the Donner Party. James Adractus. He's very hungry. He's heading to the grill. Here's the grill where they used. Right here. Oh, there's the other grill. He's heading to the lake.
By Donner. The Donner Park.
Donner Lake. This is August 13th, 1994. Mango Madness.
Tastes like chicken.
Mmm. Where have we heard that before?
This is the whole there. I mean, you're still gonna be there. Been.
Donner Lake. This is August 13th, 1994. Mango Madness. Mmm. Where have we heard that before? Where have we heard that before? Mmm. Okay, we're heading out to Donner Lake. Heading off to Donner Lake.
Walk to Donner Lake? See if it's cold or whatever.
It's not fun over there to walk. It's all around. Don't get too smart.
Not my legs to Donner Lake. It is very rocky. Oh, that's still what you like. Bunch of rims, aren't they? Yeah.
Here he is, ladies and gentlemen. Tahoe's own Dean Adractus.
It's warm, but it is rocky.
Do something exciting, Dean.
Huh?
Do something exciting.
Yes, we're here. Yay! Where people use people for food. Tom, on this very side,
Start to go over again.
people eat delicacies. People eat other people. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da.
You're actually filming now?
Or you
Yes.
can check out using the Express.
Something express they're talking about there.
What?
Okay, let's go by the view.
This is their checked out, Catherine Beam of Beam Properties.
Get Jack,
Joan Adractus,
Catherine's
alias
little
Mother.
You might get my bonsai.
Bonsai!
Next time we see that
Bonsai!
have spread out.
This is the bonsai plant.
This is a bonsai plant.
Go ahead, describe it. Answering machine.
Well,
This is Catherine Beam.
here we are in beautiful Lake Tahoe.
Catherine and
The
Cindy
bonsai
are
plant,
here
can
right
you read
now.
my the history of bonsai dates back to 1700 years in China during the Chusong and Qing dynasties. The Japanese
The camera.
word bonsai, where bon means pot, and off the
They're
money.
leaving. This is it. Dad just won Dad just won $125,
Throw it.
and I just won 60. So we won about 200 bucks in about 45 minutes.
Not bad.
It's Sunday morning,
A
August
normal
14th.
occurrence at our house.
Do you want to count the money in front of the camera?
No. Okay.
So, what do you like to win, Dad?
I love it.
You love it?
Well, I have
What is
to
it
use the
like?
restroom, and then
How
we'll
does
have
it
to
feel? How does it feel to win?
Well, like you're going to heaven.
Oh, that's what going to heaven is. Heaven is like going to the
That's
bathroom.
what they have.
The Reverend Jim Adractus,
There you go.
presiding over Horizon.
Yeah.
You're right. You're right. It's like,
The Chapel of Money.
You know what I mean?
it's like all your problems
Yeah.
are gone.
It's the Chapel of